Hello everyone, we will see today how to create database in SSMS. So for that you have to click on the SQL Server Management Studio. It will take some time to open. Here. Now click on connect. As you can see, we have a database option here. Just have to click on the plus icon. As you can see here, we don't have any database. For creating new database, you have to click on the new query and you have to type command create database and you can give the name anything what you like. So I'm just giving test db, and now you can click on execute. So you can see a message here, command completed successfully. That means the database has been created. So what we'll do next, we'll just refresh this, and as you can see in the database option you have testdb here. As you can see, we have created our database successfully. To check the table inside the database, click on the plus icon, then click on the tables. As you can see, we don't have any tables inside it. So in the next video we can see how to create tables in the database. Thank you.